Hey guys, today for the review, I have the KAIWEETS Non-Contact Voltage Tester. I received this tester from the KAIWEETS company to make a review. It's the KAIWEETS Non-Contact Voltage Tester. Before we dive in, I want to let you know I'll be giving away this tester. Stick around until the end to find out how you can enter. Let's start with the unboxing. It comes with two AAA batteries. There is a manual. There is a tester. The first thing you want to do is remove the plastic film from the display. Remove the battery cover and insert the two AAA batteries. Insert the new battery with the positive terminal facing toward the tip of the tester. Press and hold the power button to turn on the tester. Press the sensitivity button to toggle between high sensitivity and low sensitivity. High sensitivity detects 12 to 1000 AC volts. Low sensitivity detects 70 to 1000 AC volts. Press the flashlight button to turn on and off the flashlight. It's time to test out this device. I have a surge protector connected to a wall outlet. Placing the probe near the outlet detects AC voltage, causing the tester to beep and the tip to glow red. Turning off the surge protector cuts the AC voltage, causing the tester to stop beeping as expected. The display shows a percentage reading that fluctuates based on the intensity of the voltage signal. I have an air purifier connected to a wall outlet. As the tester approaches the power cord, it alerts you immediately. The device starts beeping, and the tip lights up red. This is a great tester. It's an accurate and reliable tool. It detects if an outlet is live or dead. The display's green and red lights provide an instant visual status when troubleshooting an outlet. For flexibility, you can rely on either the visual indicator or the audible beep. Super easy to hold and take with you anywhere. It's easy to use and affordable. Now it's time to explain the giveaway. To enter, complete the form linked in the description. In 2 weeks, I will do a random draw and announce the winner. For full details of the giveaway, please refer to the description. No purchase necessary. Good luck! If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing for more electronics tips and tutorials, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.